In this lesson, I will introduce ExecutorService basics. This is a core component that Java provides out of the box. These methods may vary depending on the Java version. We will look at a simple demo of ExecutorService. Let's go through a simple demo. We will see how it is provided by default. The methods available here. Across different Java versions, the available methods may differ. We create a new fixed thread pool with a pool size of 3. This means the pool will have at most 3 threads created. Then we submit 5 tasks. There are 5 tasks, but it always creates only 3 threads. Those 3 threads are reused. After that, we call shutdown. Here, the thread execution is just simulated. Assume each task takes about 1,000 milliseconds. Here we retrieve the current thread name, the name of the thread that is executing. There are exactly 3 threads, so it produces 3 thread names. Then we wait for 10 seconds. After waiting 10 seconds, we let all tasks finish and print the output. Let's run it. There it is. 5 tasks produce 5 iterations. 5 tasks print 5 outputs. But only 3 threads exist. Thread 1, Thread 2, Thread 3. Thread 3 again. These 3 threads rotate to execute the 5 tasks. The tasks are not executed in order. Why is that? Because which thread executes next is determined by the operating system scheduler. It is scheduled by the operating system. In the next chapter, we will also discuss thread priority. However, priority only provides relative influence. It is not absolute. So remember, which thread executes is decided by the operating system, the scheduler, not by the developer. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.